Hello, my name is Dan Fenza. I'm with Chugach Government Solutions, and I'm the Vice President of Business Intelligence and Innovation. We are 2019 Special Recognition Uptime Award winners. Chugach Government Solutions performs federal contract services. We do this in a variety of different areas, but primarily in the base operation and support services field. In this area, we perform facility, infrastructure, and asset management and maintenance services. For me, being a 2019 Uptime Award winner is validation that our asset management approach will help us maintain our customers' assets in a safe, effective, and efficient manner. And since our customers are federal government agencies, this means we're directly supporting their missions and the warfighter in a way that they trust and appreciate. Our award-winning program is unique because most of the assets that we manage don't actually belong to us, but rather belong to the federal government. And in order to account for this in our program, we had to modify our strategic asset management program to account for the big difference. While winning the award is a great honor, we still have a lot of work to do. But we're going to leverage the award both internally and externally, and also use it as a source of pride for the folks who helped us put the program together. Well, I'd like to thank our company, Chugach Government Solutions, for embracing asset management as our future and for creating the environment to make it happen. One of our company's core behaviors is we do things the right way. And through our asset management program, or what we call CHAMP, it allows us to do things the right way. I'd also like to thank our executive sponsor, CGS President Tim Hopper, for his leadership, and our entire team of dedicated and hard workers who helped us put the program together and deploy it throughout our organization.